Hey everyone, my name is Adi. Today we will learn a copying technique that will allow you to take a plan that you did, just like this one, and to transfer it into another paper or to something else. This technique can be useful for all kinds of cases. If you want to make few copies of the same drawing, in case that you made a plan that you are happy with, but there are too many marks of lines that you erased. Actually, for that reason, you can create a plan on a cheap paper and later copy it to a more expensive paper, like watercolor paper. Another case that copying technique can be useful is when you want to paint in acrylic or in oil colors, but you feel more comfortable to draw your plan on paper. Then you can copy your plan to a canvas or a board. We will take this plan and use it as example. We will copy it to a board that I prepared for an oil colors painting. Let's begin. Step 1 is to create a plan. Step 2. If the lines of your plan are weak, it might be better to go over them. Flip your plan over and draw over the back of the paper with a material that creates powder, like pencil, charcoal, pastel. You can cover all your paper with that material, or you can attach your plan to a window. The light that comes from the window will allow you to see the lines on the other side. This way you can cover just the areas of the lines. Make sure that you go over all the important lines. You don't have to go over the back side of the paper with the powdery material if you want to copy a plan to a paper in a light color that isn't too thick. In that case, you can put your plan on the window facing up, put the paper over it, and simply go over the lines that you see. Step 3, which is the last step. We have our plan on one side of the paper and on the other side the powdery material. Put the original plan facing up. The back side, where you applied the powdery material, should be facing down. Now go over the plan with pencil or pen. In order to remember which line you went over and which one you haven't, you can be systematic. Or you can use a different color of pen or pencil than the color of the original plan. Try not to lean your hand too hard on the paper, especially if you covered all of it in material, because it will cover your copy with powder. But it is still more erasable than regular pencil lines. If you want to make your copy a mirror image of your plan, then make accurate lines on the back of the plan in stage 2. And when you place your plan in stage 3, place the original plan facing down instead of facing up. And that's it. Now you can easily make copies of your drawings. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to visit my channel for all kinds of tutorial videos about how to create plans, how to use different techniques, and how to paint and draw different subjects. You can let me know in the comments what else you would like to learn. See you soon. Bye bye.